Alright, it's finally time to install the Slice Engineering Copperhead Hotend on my Ender5-Pro. Here's the Copperhead hot block, heat break, a vanadium 0.4 nozzle, and some boron nitride paste that we'll need. This is a micro Swiss Hotend that I've been using on this machine. It's worked okay for me, but I really like how the Copperhead has worked on my Ender5-Plus, so I've decided to do the same upgrade here on my Ender5-Pro. Alright, I've got the micro Swiss Hotend uninstalled and just have the heater cartridge and thermistor. It's time to go ahead and take those off as well. Now I've got the micro Swiss Hotend, the heater cartridge and thermistor packaged up in case I ever need those again. And I'm getting ready to install the new Slice Engineering components. Here I've got the wires already connected up for the new heater cartridge and thermistor. I actually used the Bondtech Heatlink, including the wiring adapters that Slice Engineering had available. Made it really simple to just connect with the existing wires. I didn't have to open up and get into the electronics board at all. Was able to just do a swap right here. So now I'm ready to assemble the heat block, heat break, and nozzle using Slice Engineering's boron nitride paste. And I just follow the instructions that they've provided to do that. So I'll go ahead and get this assembled. Alright, now that the Hotend is all assembled, we have the thermistor and heater cartridge that'll also be ready to insert into the heat block. And again, I'll use the boron nitride paste following Slice Engineering instructions. And now here's everything connected. So the next step is to get it onto the printer. And here's the Hotend installed on the printer. You'll notice that the Copperhead block at the bottom, I do have angled a little bit because of the bolt from the x-axis bottom travel wheel. But there's plenty of room for the wires still on the right side. So let's get the rest of the front end reassembled. And here's everything for the front end reinstalled. BL touch, all the fans, fan shroud. Still need to get my cable management put back, but I'll do that next. Then I'll have to do a PID tune on the Hotend since it's completely new components. Okay, as you can see, the printer is powered on, and while I have it do a homing cycle, I'll let you know that I updated the Marlin firmware settings since this is a new 50-watt heater cartridge and 300-degree thermistor. So those settings need to be updated in the firmware and then reflashed onto the machine. And it looks like we've got success for homing. So I'll run it through some other tests and do the PID tune on the Hotend as well before I try a test print. All the settings checked out. I did the PID tuning on the Hotend, and I did recheck the Z offset, but it actually ended up being at the same, for me, with my setup as I had with the micro Swiss Hotend. So didn't need to change the Z offset, but I did check that. And now have a test print going just to see how it does with a temperature tower. Looks like the temperature tower is just about finished up. So I'll be able to update my settings in Cura and get on to more 3D printing now on my Ender5-Pro. Check out the description for links and more information. Thanks for watching.